welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 2nd August. And first of all, national news. Rajasthan received highest rainfall in 70 years in July, weather offers. Arrested Shiv SENA MP Sanjay RAUT was sent to 4-day custody of Enforcement Directorate in an alleged land scam case. 105 people stranded in HIMACHAL Pradesh due to floods rescued. The Madhya Pradesh government on Monday announced a hike in the dearness allowance for over 7.5 lakh government employees in the state, taking it to 34%. No urgency. High Court to hear pleas on renaming Aurangabad on August 23. Home Minister AMIT SHAH to visit ODISHA on August 8. And now some international news. Saudi Arabia among nations interested in hosting 2026 Women's Asian Cup. Algeria, Africa's largest natural gas exporter, talked of joining BRICS. Iran can make atomic bomb, but it's not on agenda, said its nuclear head. First ship with Ukraine grain leaves Odessa after deal to ease food crisis. New Zealand's borders now fully reopened to visitors for first time since pandemic. Rishi Sunak pledged 20% cut in basic rate of income tax by 2029 in UK. Respect human rights to gain international acceptance, US to Taliban. And now some sports news. Commonwealth Games 2022, India entered women's force lawn bowls final assured of medal. England's players celebrated after their win in the UEFA Women's Euro 2022 final versus Germany. Spanish midfielder CESC FABREGAS, who won the World Cup in 2010, will play for Como in the Italian second division next season. The Indian women's hockey team has registered back-to-back victories, 5-0 over Ghana and 3-1 against Wales in its first two pool matches. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.